Hi guys, and this is the continuation of the Cisco Packet Tracer tutorial on making a network topology, and this is going to be the part 2. So if you missed the part 1 of the tutorial, make sure to watch that first to have an idea of making all of these networks right here. So if you want to make these networks, make sure to watch my video to learn that. So in this video, I'm gonna be labeling, or just gonna be assigning a network address, or I'm just going to label it for the different networks. So in this topology, we have many different networks, and the first network was this network, and this network, also this network, and this network. So we have 4 of the network, and we have also this network and network and a network address. So we have different networks in this topology. So I'm gonna be just show you what are the networks of this. So as you can see, we have 7 networks, and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So we have 7 network we have 7 networks. So I'm gonna be labeling a network address for this video. So the network address is the let's say network address. Let's have 192.168.1.0 for the first network, and then for this PC, this network, in this network right here, I'm gonna be having a let's just do the power of copy pasting. So copy that thing and select node, and let's change this to 2.0 and 3.0. So as you can see, 3.0 and 2.0, and that's 1.0. So in this network right here, I'm gonna be using the port 4.0, and for the network, for this network, I'm gonna be using the let's say 5.0, and then for this network, let's say 6.0 or 6.0. You can have 16.0, 20.0, but just make sure to have a very to remember the network address quickly. You have to select the most common as you wish. So as you can see, we have already labeled a network address. So I think that's it for this video, guys. I will just explain to you a brief explanation how did I know that this is a network address. So a network address is ends with 0, because it is the not broken, this 0 right here. If you will kind of select the if you have 1.1, that is not a network address, that is already an IP address. So a network address and basically ends with 0. So I think that's it for this video, guys, And let's just review the network. So the network address, this is the first network address, the second, the third, and the fourth network address, and this connection right here is the fifth, the sixth network address, and the seventh network. So they both have different networks. So I think that's it for this video. So I will continue this video, so make sure to stay tuned, and you can click the link in the description below for the playlist, or I will just leave a link for all the parts of the tutorial. So if you missed the first tutorial, make sure to watch that first, and in the next video I will be doing an labeling an IP address of these computers. So these ports, I'm gonna be having a network IP address for this port. So this red dots right here represents a ports. I'm gonna be having both of all of them having as labeling an IP address. So make sure to stay tuned and watch that video. So see you on my next video.